Ensembles actually means here all the things, the ingredients type, all the things of 9 instruments found at royal courts. Shehnai was part of the Naubat or the traditional ensemble of 9 instruments. Naubat is the name given to all that group of 9 instruments altogether, and Shehnai was part of that Naubat. Till recently, it was used only in temples and weddings. The credit for bringing this instrument onto the classical stage goes to Ustad Bismillah Khan. Until Ustad Bismillah Khan brought this instrument onto the classical stage, it was only used in the temples and weddings. But the credit for bringing this instrument onto the classical stage goes to Ustad Bismillah Khan. As a 5-year-old, Bismillah Khan played Gilli Tanda near a pond in the ancient estate of Dumrao in Bihar. He would regularly go to the nearby Bihariji temple to sing the Bhojpuri Chait, at the end of which he would earn a big laddu weighing 1.25 kg, a prize given by the local Maharaja. So, this was Bismillah Khan, who was, when he was 5 years old, he used to play Gilli Danda, and he would regularly go to nearby Bihariji temple to sing Bhojpuri Chait, and after singing that, local Maharaja there would give a big laddu of 1.25 kg, and that was the prize given to this boy. This happened 80 years ago, and the little boy was travelled far to earn the highest civilian award in India, the Bharat Ratna. This laddu was given 80 years ago. Now that little boy has travelled a lot to earn the highest civilian award in India, and that is the Bharat Ratna. So, thus we can say that Ustad Bismillah Khan, the Bharat Ratna, has travelled a lot and far to earn this highest civilian award in India. Born on 21st March 1916, Bismillah belongs to a well-known family of musicians from Bihar. His grandfather, Rasul Baks Khan, was the Shehnai Nawaz of the Bhojpur king's court. His father, Paigambar Baks, and other paternal ancestors were also great Shehnai players. Paternal ancestors are ancestors of the father